Hey guys, hope you're all good. Okay, so today we're going to look at integrals involving trig functions. Okay, so that's part of calculus too. So yeah, on a side note, guys, I'd really appreciate it if you do subscribe to my channel. So if you like what you see, please do subscribe and please share the videos with your friends. Okay, cool. So let's get started. So I got my functions. So integrate. So integrate. Um, Sine x. Sorry, it's going to be capital sign. Sine x raised to the power of 5 with respect to x. So shift enter. Okay, and then I'll press the equal button twice to get the step-by-step guide. So that will connect to the Wolfram-Alpha server. So command copy and then paste that in there. Right, press enter. So that runs in the background. We're cracking on. Yeah, here we are. Right. So getting a step-by-step guide, step-by-step solution, sorry. So click on that. Then it tells you all the steps. So that's our answer there. Then it's further simplified to get that. Okay, right. So cracking on to the next one. So that'll be integrate as well, and that's cos x raised to the power of 5, and then that's with respect to x as well, and shift enter. Okay, and then the equal button twice, and then I'm just going to copy the same syntax. So command copy and then paste that in there, and then press enter. That runs in the background. So these integrals are the same ones I've used for other videos using MATLAB, Python, and Maple. Okay, so step-by-step solution. Right. Okay, so they're using a different method, using a reduction formula. Others use substitution, but whichever works well for you, sorry. Just go ahead with that. So yeah, so that's our final answer there. So that's that, then simplified, it gets to that. Okay, right, and then clicking on to the next one. So integrate, and we're going to look at tangent x raised to the power of 5, and that's with respect to x as well. So shift enter, okay, and then equal twice. So just to get the step-by-step solutions, and then paste, and then enter again. Yeah, click it on. Okay, cool. Yeah, so our step-by-step solution. Right, just bear with me 1 sec. So that dark line shows you that it's running in the background. Okay, cool. Right, yeah, so there we are. Right, second. So we're going to integrate the second function. Integrate. Oh, sorry. Integrate sec x squared with respect to x, and then shift enter. So that's tan x, and then equal twice again, and then I'll just copy that. Come on, copy, and then paste that. Right. Now step-by-step solution. Yeah, we got there in the end. Yeah, there we go. Okay, and then the final one. So integrate. Right, and that's cos x cubed. So that's divided by sine x raised to the power of 4 with respect to x. Right, and then shift enter. Okay, and then my equal button twice, and I'm just going to copy that syntax and then put it in there. Yeah. Right, we're getting there. Yeah, so yeah, so these are the steps. Yeah, right. And finally, yeah, so that's our answer, plus constant. So we call it plus C here in the UK, depending on where you're from. Some use plus K, so it just depends. But anyway, it's the same thing anyway. Okay, cool. So yeah, hopefully this was helpful, guys. And if you like what you see again, please just subscribe and share the videos with your friends. And also look out for the other videos as well, using different softwares, solving the same problems. I'll put the link in the bottom. Okay, so thanks guys for watching, and have a lovely day. Bye bye.